Hey everybody, this is Sam and welcome back to lesson 7 of our prerequisites. We're going to be talking about bouncing mixes and what that actually means. So let's just jump on in. The lesson overview is going to go over what a bounce actually is and how to bounce a mix. And again, these are going to be referenced when we do it in the later levels. So bounces export your project so it can be listened to everywhere without needing a DAW. Typically this will be in a WAV file and or an MP3. This is also the thing that you would send to a client to listen to the work that you've done and to get feedback on. Okay, so the point to understand here is that bounces can be referred to by many names. We can call them exports, we can call them renders, we can say print, sometimes stems is one of them, but to that, the function is always the same. Okay, so we're just taking what's in the DAW and packaging it so we can listen to it out of the DAW and use it in other DAWs if we want to, but we will get more into that as we go. Okay, so the steps to bouncing audio, okay, we're going to set the length or the area that you would like to bounce for step 1. For step 2 is going to be double check the location where the bounce is going. And by that, I mean we need to know where the file is going, okay? Meaning where that MP3, where that wave, where is it going in our computer? Because I don't want you to lose anything. All right, and then we just bounce the project. Now this does change a little bit per DAW. However, the process is actually the same in every DAW. Again, another short one, but again, we're just establishing these tools so we can actually make the best music possible and they're not in the way anymore. Again, technical versus creative is how it typically goes, but what we're trying to do right now is actually have the technical support the creative. Okay, cool, awesome. That being said, see you on the next one.